Alright, so this is the same sound I just uploaded, and I turned the reverb down a bit, but not all the way down. And what I did was I changed on the NTS2 the horizontal view so you could see it a little bit better. There's actually side chaining going on or something, it's really weird. That chord obviously doesn't sound as good. But if I do B minor 7, the B minor itself, just without the 7, sounds like a G major 7. So I'm going to add an A on the, so make it a B minor 7 with the notes like this. And it's going to sound like a G major 9. Let's make the reverb go all the way to 0. So I'm going to make the horizontal go to the right more. You can barely see it when I go all the way to the left. You know, really, really stuck together waves. So they're really, really close. So if I turn oscillator 1 down, and I just hear oscillator 2 with a looping delta envelope there, attack 9 decay 1, sustain 4, release 7, envelope activated, and the bidirectional mask envelope has a speed of 37, not completely at 40, a start of -9, and the mask number for, if you want to try this, is mask 250. So make sure I have 1 turned down. Okay, so this is what it's going to sound like. That's where that side chaining thing's coming from, and I think it's from the looping envelope here. If I turn the attack down to 0, I wanted it to be more smooth. Yeah. So that's really cool. You don't hear it when I'm just playing back the